What's interesting, though, is now here the subjects are at a profound state of loss of consciousness. And if you look back over here, in this area here, when they were clearly conscious, this part of the brain, which involves here what we're showing is part of that brainstem area, and then it's not really shown very well here, but the thalamus is actually more active when the subject is profoundly unconscious than when they're awake. Okay? Now, we know the areas are active here because the information to get from the ear up to the cortex had to go through the thalamus. So even though you don't see it lighting up here like crazy in the imaging, it's active because the subject is hearing the tone and they're answering the questions correctly. So this was one of the first observations that we made, which was, sort of surprising. Could I say I've predicted this? No. I mean, I knew you could sort of inactivate different parts of the brain and have unconsciousness, but I wouldn't have predicted this. So the thalamus is actually more active than when you are awake. All right? So, and here's just an illustration of that specifically. Here's the thalamus. It's actually quite active. All right? So that was a key finding.